Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking me to create this tutorial, so here it is. I'm going to be showing you a CarX Street hack that you can use right now, and it's going to give you unlimited money as well as all the cars unlocked. So this is going to allow you to completely dominate the game, saving you a bunch of money from in-app purchases, because as you can see, money is pretty expensive, plus cars are pretty expensive as well. So this CarX Street hack is working on iOS and Android. You can see I'm doing this on iPhone, and then what you're going to want to do is basically just turn off your low power mode. So if you're on iPhone, it's in your settings, and just turn that off. Now, what you're going to want to do is open up the internet browser. And pretty easy to do this, guys. This is working on both iOS and Android. And you just need to head on over to www.speedyplugin.com. So just type it like this. Speedy Plugin. This is basically a secret modded app store. They have tons of different mods on here for Roblox games, mobile games and stuff. So you need to search for the CarX Street hack. So I'm just going to use the search bar, CarX Street. So you type that in. And if you type correctly, you should find this CarX Street mod. You can see this is really highly rated. 4.8 and thousands of ratings, and thousands of people have used this. So what you're going to do is click on here. And this entire process only takes a few minutes, guys, and this is going to basically inject a mod into your game. So you play your normal CarX Street game, and it's going to have unlimited money and all cars. So you need to follow the instructions here to go ahead and get this mod installed. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your free plugin. So essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks here that are all completely free. You need to complete 2 of these and follow the instructions for each of the 2 that you choose, guys. These are really easy things like installing mobile applications and playing mobile games. Really simple. Once you do that, guys, that is it. Your CarX Street hack will be fully installed, and you can just play your normal game as per you usually do, and you're going to have unlimited resources in your game. So that is it, guys. Really straightforward. By far the quickest and easiest hack in 2026 for CarX Street. So make sure you like and subscribe for more. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.